You can use this tool to grow your personal brand on Instagram, Facebook, and create automated replies. Install this free Chrome extension, go to LinkedIn, and there's a creator who has posted something, and you can just simply create this plugin, pin it up. You can simply copy paste whatever this creator has written, click on this extension. You can select a template for you to reply with this. For example, you can choose what action you want. Do you want to explain this further? You want to rewrite this and make it more friendly, more formal? You can choose some templates where you can ask for meeting request, accept request, you can send a thank you invitation, and you can have simply your own commands or prompts as well. Let's say I want it to explain this further. So what happens is I can simply copy paste whatever the creator has written, and I can reframe it, and I can say that, hey, well done, what you say makes sense, and thank you for sharing this. And I can post that as a comment, which can help me reach out to more audiences, get the attention of the creator itself. I hope this was helpful. Tool is called as enter.io. Share this with somebody. I'll see you in the next one.